Okay, okay, good morning. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so right now Sudhanshu is present and Sip Shakti or others.
Sir, others are in, sir.
Okay, so just wait. अच्छा तुम लोगों का कितना ग्रुप मतलब कितना मेंबर है मेरा ग्रुप में? सुधांशु?
छः सर।
छह, sir.
अच्छा 6 है। Okay. So everyone write your own name and roll number in the chat box also. Okay, so so this is the project class and previous class I am taking, but no one is joining in the previous class. So please everyone join this project class bi-weekly. It is very important for your final year project. Okay. So I think this 6 member it is present in my project group. Okay. So otherwise not to.
सर ज्यादा नहीं था सर मेरे ग्रुप में सर।
सजादा सदब नहीं था। तो जो नहीं था हम लोगों का ग्रुप में, सो प्लीज वो लीव हो जाए ओके सो अच्छा कौन कौन था प्लीज मेरे को एक जो बता दो।
सर
अनुपम अनुपम
अनुपम
कुमार।
कुमार सर हम थे।
हाँ, अच्छा
यस सर।
प्रकाश।
शिव शक्ति पाठक था सर।
ओके
प्रकाश प्रकाश थे।
ओके
सचिन था, सुधांशु था
ओके
और एमडी मुकद्दस था सर।
सॉरी
एमडी मुकद्दस नूर था सर।
इब्नी मुकद्दस नूर। अच्छा वो ग्रुप में है हम लोग का व्हाट्सएप का ग्रुप में है।
यस सर, व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप में है सर, वही ज्वाइन है सर।
अच्छा ये साजादा सदब कौन है प्लीज रिस्पॉन्स मी। साजादा।
यस सर। यस
सो
सर।
आप मेरे ग्रुप में है प्रोजेक्ट ग्रुप में।
नो सर।
Okay, so you leave now because your mentor, project mentor, something or other teachers is available. So please contact your HOD sir. So they sir will continue your project group mentors. Okay.
ठीक है सर, ठीक है सर। थैंक
Okay,
यू
कोई
सर।
बात नहीं. Okay, thank you. Okay, so I think 5 are present in my group. Anupam Kumar, Prakash Murmu, Sachin Kumar, Sip Shakti Pathak, and Sudhanshu. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, only the name is MD Mukuddas Noor. It is
Yes, sir.
okay. He is absent, no?
Yes, sir.
यस सर, यस सर, एब्सेंट सर।
Okay. Okay. So anyone, please message him for joining for the class. So any problem is his ends is please join this class also. So okay. So. Everyone any idea because I am telling in the first classes that is using this your group I am message that is everyone search the anything is project idea from the your ends that is a googles or internet. So anyone any idea or any search for this project work, so please reply me and please share. This is a one introductory part. Okay, one that is a we have to discuss this project related work. Okay, what have to do, what is the basic project criteria, how it is choose. Okay, so these are the basic all things are data or so all things in profession we have to share in these classes also. Okay, so anyone, so please everyone, please anyone any idea. So because this project it is a
सर
group work. Okay, so all of you please just little bit take me 2 minutes because all of you please work in same criteria, that means same work profile also, because this is a group oriented work, this project work, because this project area it is a vast area, because first you have to choose any topics from your syllabus oriented, that is the electrical or electronics related, you have to choose this area. Then the project you have to I am the mentor of your, and other than me you have to help from your seniors, from your any others guardians or any others teachers also. Okay, so this is not problem from my here also. Okay, so if anyone any idea anything is present in this what have to do this project.
यस सर।
Yes, Anupam Kumar.
Sir, our project members have decided to make project on sir Star Delta starter sir.
Start Delta.
Starter sir.
Okay, so please sort any description for this project.
Sir, generally starter are used to protect the machine from the heavy induced current from in starting sir. Sir, starter is very important for us sir. Interviews also this topic is considered very important topic sir. That's why
Yes.
we have decided to make this topic sir. Make this project sir.
Okay, so just I am telling that. So in this Start Delta starter, it is comfortable for everyone. So please, everyone, please reply me. It is comfortable for all of you. Shiv Shakti, Sudhanshu, Sachin, Prakash.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so I think all of you seen this type of area of work. All of you seen?
सर एक और
Yes,
प्रोजेक्ट
sir,
के
yes.
बारे में पूछा था सर
Yes, yes, yes. Sudhanshu?
फुट स्टेप इलेक्ट्रिसिटी जनरेशन सर फुट
Foot
स्टेप
step
पावर
ele-
जनरेशन सिस्टम
This is also a good project, but it is a little bit that is we have to work in the there is a various types of work. That is this food type of this is project. It is a very good idea, but it's a small. Okay,
यस सर
this is your group member is 6 group member is present in your group. So this type of small little bit project. So I think it is not weighted project for your background. That is the electrical student backgrounds also. Okay.
यस सर
So any another idea is present. Okay, okay. So Anupam, so please reply me. Anything is you have to search this start delta starter, any model or any block diagram.
Yes, sir.
Anything is idea. Anything is you have to present this project, or that is a PDF is block diagram. Any circuit area it is present. मैं आप
Sir,
लोगों को हाँ बोलो.
I have seen many videos on Star Delta Starter, sir, on
Okay.
YouTube also, and my friend is also working in industry.
Okay. Okay.
And
So I just recall.
I will make, sir. If you tell, I will make project on this, sir.
Okay. So I am telling that in this corresponding, you have to send the any video links or any PDF links. Please share this WhatsApp group or my personal WhatsApp group. So then I am see this overall description of this according this project also. Okay. Then we have to
Okay,
decide.
sir. Okay, sir. I will send, sir.
Yes, yes, yes. And everyone, you have to send everyone for your friends in this project groups also. Okay. So first of all, we have to decide these topics. It is also very good, and it is also your electrical students' backgrounds. It is also helpful for your future response also. So everyone see these topics is carefully from your Google search, from your YouTube, or anything is like that. Okay. So please prepare a report, because after this class we have to take, that is 5 or 6 days is present in your hand. So you have to prepare first one report. That is a not finally report. You have to a proposal. That is, we have to choose these topics, sir. It is the criteria, and it has the requirements of this apparatus or instruments, and it is a diagram, and it is a result or applications. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. First of all,
Yes, sir.
and it is a group of work. Not only I am given in the Anupam Kumar, because this is a group of work, and the marks is also division is group wise. Okay, so I am telling that everyone be careful and work this project work also. Okay, because this project has a different parts. First you have to choose the project topics, then you have to send me one report. That is a not this report is this time is finally report. We have to a proposal. That is, we have to work on these topics. What is the basic description of this? What is the requirement of this project? What is the application? Anything is circuit details is present is that also. Then we have to finally decide it is done or not. Okay, then you have to working this project, you have to make this model or circuit also. Then you have to it is working is properly, it is the result is coming or not, we have to decide. Then you have to prepare report. That is a final report. Okay, this is a very important and very helpful for your future response also. And then finally we have to made one PPT presentations. Okay, using this PPT slide regarding this your final year project topics. Okay, so these are the basically overall work of the your 7th semester and 8th semester. So these 2 semester it is including of the overall project work also, and we have to work, that is day by day. That means not only we have to the last day of the examinations or last month of the examinations of semester exam, we have to working in that. So we have to work day by day. We have to discuss in weekly in our classroom. We have to share screen, and all of you please share your screen according this class. What have to do? Why it is working? What is not working? Something like that. Okay, and I am promised that from my end I am also always help you. Okay. Okay, so first of all you have to prepare one report. That's this not a big report. This is a 4 or 5 page or 3 4 5 page. That is the what is the proposal of this project. That is, in this case, what is the project topics, what is the basic objective, what is the basic requirements of this project, that is the instrument, and what is the basic diagram, block diagram, and what is the applications area. Okay, it is clear, all of you?
Yes.
Yes,
sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so first of all you have to prepare these reports, and Anupam, please send the links or anything is video links or PDF links. You have to share all of your friends and with me also. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so anyone any doubt or any questions, so please ask me in this regarding this project also.
सर 8 सेम में सर अलग प्रोजेक्ट बनाना पड़ेगा या फिर यही रहेगा?
No, this project, it is for same, that is 7 sem plus 8 sems. That is your final year project. It is entire the total 7 sem and 8 sem. This is single one project also. Okay.
सर तो अभी 7th में सर कोई मिनी
Hello, 7th में it is not clear. Hello, please anyone. समझ में नहीं आया आपका क्वेश्चन, प्लीज सचिन।
यस सर।
क्या पूछ रहे थे?
Hello.
एकदम हाँ
सर वो पूछ रहे थे सर कि 7 में सर अभी कोई मिनी प्रोजेक्ट सर सबमिट करना पड़ेगा?
नहीं, मिनी प्रोजेक्ट देखो वो जो है वो अलग सा है, बट ये जो आप लोगों का जो प्रोजेक्ट मतलब प्रोजेक्ट का जो मार्क्स है फाइनल ईयर प्रोजेक्ट, ये अलग सा है। मिनी प्रोजेक्ट वो आपका मतलब एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलम एक्टिविटी वो ऐसे कुछ है आप लोगों के पास, वो अलग से है, उसके साथ इसका कोई रिलेशन नहीं है। बट ये जो है ये आप लोगों का फाइनल ईयर प्रोजेक्ट है, इसमें आप लोगों को 7 सेम प्लस 8 सेम ये दोनों सेम मिला के इसको करना पड़ेगा। बट यूजिंग दिस 2 सेमिस्टर it is decided by this, it is marks distribution, it is present in your 7th semester as well as also 8th semester also. Okay
सर मिनी प्रोजेक्ट जो है वो
Yes.
तो बना सकते हैं कुछ भी हम लोग?
Yes, मिनी प्रोजेक्ट आप कुछ भी बना सकते हैं अकॉर्डिंग टू द योर syllabus guided, any guided is present in syllabus, that is JOT syllabus.
यस सर।
Okay, anyone any others questions? Yes, Sudhanshu,
यस सर,
any
बस
question?
ये पूछना था।
Okay,
No, sir.
okay, so Sudhanshu, you have to take a screenshot for the participant list and please send this participant list in this final year project group, okay, because it is a recorded for the attendance purpose.
ओके सर।
And please any one student is absent today plus class, so you have to recall the students, that is the name is MD Mugdas Noor, and join the next classes also. And please prepare one report and then you have to send me. Okay. Okay, any questions or any doubts, so please tell me, और नहीं तो क्लास एंड करते हैं। Okay, so I am ending the class.
ओके सर, थैंक यू सर।
Okay, thank you.
थैंक यू सर।
Okay, thank you.